Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on energy saving on ACER Predator 17. To improve your battery life, you can simply click on the battery on the taskbar, then change this setting to best battery life, and that'll make your laptop use less power, but also it may run with a bit less performance, although the difference shouldn't be as bad as long as you're not playing games. If you're playing games, you can simply put it back to best performance or better performance, and then if you're not playing games anymore, put it on better battery. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.